Hey, it's Mr. On Demand back again with another great video for you guys. And today I'm going to talk about the modding community inside Windows 11 and how it's doing wonderful. And the whole reason for that is Microsoft isn't doing their job making Windows have all of the features and options that we want. But in a sense, that's okay because there are other developers out there that are doing that for us. I'm going to go over one tool today that is a fabulous tool that pretty much everybody should probably check out because it almost certainly has a couple of things in it that you might want to do with Windows. And I'm going to show that to you right now. So let's jump right into this program. The program's called Windhawk, and it's got a whole bunch of different mods that do all kinds of things. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing installed. You go to their website. I'll leave a link in the description of this video. You run a standard Windows installation, and then you're ready to open the program and get started looking at all the modifications you can do to your Windows 11 to make it look and feel the way you want it to feel. Listen, I know Microsoft isn't giving us all the features and all of the tools that we would like to have in our Windows 11, but at least there's people like this that are doing all these modifications to give us the tools and features that we're looking for. One of those tools is the vertical taskbar. A lot of you asked for this when I did a video on the fact that Microsoft is planning on bringing this back. There is a feature in Windhawk that allows for the vertical toolbar, and I'm going to install it right now and show it to you. There's a whole list of other things as well. This is just one I'm going to give an example of and show that you can install it and it can work. You get a little message saying you need to trust the developer that the thing is coming from, whatever modification you decide to use. You can also go, each one has its own page that shows you what it's going to look like. I've already installed it. I'm going to unlock my taskbar, and now I'm going to move the taskbar around and show you that it works. I do have 3 monitors on this computer, and it does only work on the main monitor. The other 2 monitors, the taskbar stays on the bottom. But this is a great feature for a lot of you that are wanting that ability. The Chrome Edge scroll tool, the Windows 11 taskbar style, just absolutely a bunch of stuff in here that's just great. Skins and colors, wonderful, wonderful stuff. And this right here is a modification that lets you change your taskbar to look all sorts of different ways. I'm sure this might be very intriguing to a lot of you who want to customize your windows and make it look a certain way that feels comfortable to you. Like I said, this has all sorts of different modifications you can do to Windows 11. You're going to need to go ahead and look through them and see what modifications might be right for you. We all like to use our computer in different ways, and we all like to do things a little different. So that's why all these modifications are separate, and you can just install them one at a time, or just a couple of them, or just one of them if all you want is one of them. It's really up to you how you modify Windows at that point. I got a whole section in my YouTube channel devoted toward Windows tools and tricks and different things that you can do to make Windows better. So if you're interested in some of these tools, definitely check out the playlist that I've got that's devoted to this type of thing, because there may be some things in there that might be able to help you out. So I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope some of these modifications help you out. If Windhawk does help you out, go ahead and hit a thumbs up down below and let me know what modification you're using and why, and what it does for you, so that it may help other people on this channel know about different modifications that are in this tool that helps you make Windows just the right kind of Windows for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.